Hi everybody. People are searching about Fubsta and LuxeLift skin products, and they need to know if there is a scam behind them or legit. They claim designed to target and repair crepe, sagging skin with serum-infused ingredients. Witness visible results in as little as 3 days. Wondering if they really work or if they are another rip-off scam. In case you're thinking of ordering Fubsta or LuxeLift skin products, do not do so yet. A lot of things don't add up about it. They claim reducing lines and wrinkles, resulting in smoother, firmer skin. Though Fubsta appear to be a legitimate product. Here are reasons why you shouldn't think of buying Fubsta serum. The ads online are quite deceptive. Fubsta does not magically reduces puffiness and dark circles as seen on the videos and images. In reality, Fubsta does little or nothing at all. The ads are not real. For example, look at the first photo here. It is for women had some surgical treatments or plastic surgeons. Fubsta is pretending to be associated with LuxeLift, but in fact LuxeLift didn't have any skin product. LuxeLift is a Cincinnati facial plastic surgery. There is no positive reviews about this product. All reviews about LuxeLift skin tell it doesn't have any effects and doesn't work at all. They don't have phone number. They have a location address in Hong Kong, but fake. An email was found and it has no reply. We didn't find the company for this brand name. They don't have the approval from FDA, US Food and Drug Administration, or any other. All indicate a scam product advertised with fake videos. Fubsta and LuxeLift skin products don't magically repair crepe, sagging skin with serum-infused ingredients. Witness visible results in as little as 3 days, as seen on the website. Before considering anything, talk to your doctor. They can give you personalized advice based on your health and see if a particular supplement is right for you. Share this video with everyone you know before they become a victim. Leave a comment if you have a note to help others. Beware and thank you for watching.